हाँ तो okay. Yeah, I hope now the screen is visible. Avinash, Arvind, Nitin, okay, Rajavardhan, Navesri, all of you. Okay. So in today's lecture, first, what we will learn: create, create database, create database called, okay, क्या हो रहा है इसको? Create database called Marvel, okay, Marvel DB. Next, create, okay, a table, okay, table, table called, okay, superheroes, okay, superheroes. Third, okay, create schema, okay, what schema you want. Let's say here I will write the schema, okay, in schema, superhero name, hero name, okay, next one, power, okay, I mean, like, let's say Superman, what he can do, what is his power, all Marvel, no, Marvel, DC comics and all, okay, superhero or strength, okay, Next one, from what planet that superhero is there? Okay. There are in Marvel from a lot of like superheroes from different planets. So next one, I want to add here. Okay, what movie of that superhero? Okay, superhero. Okay, is famous one. Next one. Okay. Okay, and successor. Let's say we all know that Iron Man. Okay, Iron Man's next successor. Who is the next successor of Iron Man? Huh? Don't know? अरे कोई देखता है नहीं देखता है आयरन मैन का सक्सेसर कौन है उसके बाद में उसके पावर्स आयरन मैन मर गया नहीं मर गया इनसे हाँ स्पाइडरमैन को दिए वो सब हाँ हाँ नेक्स्ट इसका कैप्टन अमेरिका किसको दिया हाँ वो हाँ फाल्कन को दिया नेक्स्ट हल्क शी हल्क आ गए ओके नेक्स्ट कैप्टन अमेरिका का भी है कैप्टन मार्वल आई है ओके लॉट ऑफ पीपल आते हैं हाँ पैंथर ब्लैक पैंथर उसकी सिस्टर बन गई हाँ ओके सो सक्सेसर एंड planet. I will make it like planet or country, guys. Okay, country, something like this. You guys have to create a schema of this. Next one, okay. You have to rate that out of 10. Okay, that each character or each superhero out of 10, how much you like that. Okay, so rating. So that's it. Okay. And the third one, once you create that, okay, once you create that, you have to add new column to it. Okay, new column to it. Okay, called okay called watched at. Okay, watched at. वॉच टैट मतलब आपने वो मूवी जो देखा उसका वेदर यू वॉच्ड इन आइनॉक्स और पीवीआर और घर में देखा किधर भी देखा ओके दैट यू हैव टू राइट हियर थर्ड वन ओके जो ओल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स है देयर आर ओल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स नो हाउ यू विल अपडेट दोस ओल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स अपडेट ओल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स ओके अपडेट ओल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स next one okay we will learn how to drop let me check okay next okay drop a column called movie okay drop a column called movie ठीक है then what we will perform is okay how to delete a specific record okay or let's do one thing first we will delete the record delete a particular record ठीक है then drop a column called movie we will understand what is the difference between drop and delete also okay the difference between drop and delete and end of this okay end of this I want to drop a table okay drop a complete table and next drop a complete Okay, complete database. Okay, we are going to perform this a few things. Okay, I want you to work upon it right now. There. Okay. Okay. हाँ भाई ओपन करो सब लोग एवरीवन फर्स्ट क्लास बुढ़े होने का टाइम आ गया इधर ही है ठीक है क्रिएट हेलो हाँ बोल नया लग चारशे तीन मध्ये हाँ क्लास मध्ये नया okay create a database okay create a database what is the name of database marvel db ठीक है complete selected executed okay next one create a table create table what is the table name superheroes superheroes in that superheroes okay I want to create a schema of what okay let's add something new also in this rating and release release date also I want to add ticket price okay. So what am I going to ask okay superhero name okay superhero name what what type of data type varchar okay after that varchar and then what 20 comma strength what I need strength varchar okay I will make it 20 only okay 20 only next okay planet okay planet or okay or let's say planet और ऐसा कर सकते हैं हम country okay varchar okay twenty okay यहाँ पे error आ रहा है see okay you cannot do like this you cannot use a special character so what I can do here you can use okay this okay okay underscore here or simply okay you can say or country like this you can do next one movie okay okay movie name or just movie rather than saying okay movie name I will say then movie name okay then varchar okay varchar in varchar I will give okay again 20 next one successor okay successor and the successor is also a varchar okay 20 next one okay a rating and release date something rating I will give date. Okay, release or is rating. Okay, rating out of 10 we are going to give, no. So here int. Okay, int. ऐसा ठीक है. Then release date. Sir, rating we can give points. Yeah, 5 point. Acha, if you want to give, I said out of 10. Okay, you can give 5.5, something like this. If you want to go, you can go either int or float. Okay, or you can go with the int or decimal. Nothing, int, float, decimal, anything you can do. Okay. Next, release date. Release date. Okay, release date. Here I will give date data type. Next, okay, ticket price. Here we will take ticket price. Okay, and it is also money. So I have created the complete schema, okay, of this whole table. Okay, select it and execute it. Done. Add a new column date called watch list. Okay, first of all, okay, I just forgot here. Okay, add records. Okay, add few records to, okay, uh, superheroes table. Okay, superheroes table. Add few records to superheroes table. What we can do is, okay, we can, awesome. Okay, so add few records to superheroes table. So here, what we will do is, I will, okay, add. What is the command? Insert into superheroes. Okay, and here I will define what things I want to enter. Okay, if you want to enter complete things, no need to mention. But yes, again, you want to choose your own sequence. Then what you can simply here do this thing. Insert into, and these all things we will write here. Okay, superhero name, next strength, next planet or country. Okay, movie name, next one successor. Okay, and then the rating. Okay, after rating, release date. Okay, after release date, what is there? Ticket price. Okay, this is what we are going to enter. So here values. Okay, values, and in this values, okay, we will enter few of the records. So here I will enter now. The first thing is what? Okay, let's enter this first record first of all. Values. Okay, here the superhero name. Which one is the first one? Okay, Captain America. Okay, my favorite one. Okay, Iron Man. Okay, Iron Man. Next one. Okay, you can enter strength. Okay, uh, technologia. What is it? Okay, technology and courage. Next, planet or country, Earth. Okay, Earth. And next one is movie name. Okay, I think there are name movies are there. Okay, So you can say the favorite one. I told about what movie I want to enter. There are a lot of movies of Iron Man. I will enter one of it. Okay. I will enter about Endgame. Okay. Endgame. Next one, successor. Who is the successor of it? Spider-Man. Okay. Spider-Man. Next one. What is the rating? I will give 10 out of this. I will give 9.5 rating. Release date. Uh, okay. Let's assume I don't know the exact date, but let's say here 10. Okay. 09 2020. Okay. And the ticket price was at that time 350. Okay. This is the first record. Next one. Okay. The second favorite. Okay. Here is X-Man. Okay. X-Man. X-Man. Oh, next one. What after X-Man? What we can do is okay. X-Man's favorite. Okay. His what was that? What do you say? Yeah. I guess. Hmm? Huh? Vibranium. X-Man Vibranium. Huh? Titanium. Okay, what titanium is a metal, man. Actually, what comes out like when it says with the blades. Okay, let's say blades. Okay, okay, or his nails, something like this, blades. Okay, next one, planet. Planet is again Earth. Okay, next one. The favorite one is mine. Last time came no? That movie Deadpool. No, 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 no. Before that one movie came. He's a very old one. He said, huh? X-Man? Wolverine. Okay. Wolverine. Okay. Wolverine. Next one. Okay. The successor. What is the girl name that? She's the successor. No? That small girl. Huh? Something just two plates. Okay. She will revolutionize like in next part. Okay, something Amanda. I will give name. Okay, I don't know her name. Okay, and rating. Okay, I will give 9 out of. It's a very good movie, but he's dying. End of this, so that's the reason I will give 9. So what is next? Release date. Okay, it released. Let's say in 23rd of 12 of 20. Okay, 2019, something like this. Okay, comma. Okay, then what? After this comma, okay, I have to enter the ticket price. Ticket price was 200 rupees. Okay, 200 rupees. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, I entered completely two new records. Okay, select this query, guys. Okay, select this query and execute it. Yes. Oh, binary data would be truncated in table master or DB. Sorry. Okay, I think I haven't started. Sorry. Here, one thing we missed. What is that? We created database. We created table, but where? In master. Here, okay, the command was create database MarvelDB. After that, what is the command? Use. Okay, use MarvelDB. Okay, this is what. So when we created the superheroes table by mistake, now it is created in master. Where is it created? In master. Now use this one, I will say, and once again I will run this command. Okay, I will run this command, execute. Yes, and now I will what? Okay, executed. And what? Binary data, line number 18, it is saying string or binary data would be truncated in table MarvelDB. Okay, dot superheroes, column strength. Okay,
सर वार का लिमिट इज 20 ना सर,
तो
स्ट्रेंथ एंड
इसमें
करेज।
मोर देन 20 हो रहा है ये. Okay,
Yes, sir.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 18 19 20. ओ पक्का ज्यादा हो रहा है, ठीक है ना. सो आई विल डू वन थिंग. ओके, यहाँ पे ऐसा लगा देता हूँ. ओके, इट माइट सेव सम फ्यू. ओके, स्पेसेस एंड. ओके, still conversion failed when converting date or time from character. Now it is resolved. Okay, what is next? Character कहाँ पे? Okay, date or time. So यहाँ पे there is a problem once again. What is the problem? First we have to give what? Huh? First year. Okay, or first month. If I will give, what will happen? Let's check. Okay, so first I will give month. What is the month? Let's say 05 and 12th. Okay, 12th is the date. MMDDYYYY. Okay, MMDDYYYY. Do not forget this. Here MMDDYYY. Okay. Once again, select this and execute this, and two rows affected. It has taken successfully. Now after this, I want to check. Okay, select star from what table? Superheroes. Okay, I want to check all the records. I want to see the table, and you can see, guys. Okay, here is the thing. Okay, superhero strength, planet or country, movie, and successor, rating, release date, ticket name. These are all things we have added. Now, what is the next task we supposed to do? Add a new column called watched at. Where did you watch this movie? Okay, where did you watch this movie? So simple thing. Okay, how to now add this new column? Already the schema is defined, table is created, few records also inserted, and then you remembered, oh my gosh, I forgot to add one more column. So how you will handle this? Okay, how will you handle this? Add new column date called watched at. Chapandi. Alter
table
table.
name,
What is the table name?
superheroes.
Acha, super heroes. Okay, then add columns. Column name. Direct column name. Okay, very good. Add column or column name. Okay, paka. Okay. So add column name. What is the watched at? Okay, watched at. What is the data type now? Okay, varchar. Okay, varchar. With I will go with the 20 characters length. Okay, good to go. Okay, select the query, execute it. Wow, successfully. We have what? Successfully. But now added a new one column. But what happens to the previous records? Okay, what happens to the previous record? What value will be added in the previous record? Select this and check it once.
Null.
Say null is added in the watch tag. What is the new value? Null. Here are the null values. Now update old records. How to update the old records? Update. Update superheroes. Very good.
Set
Okay, set
watch
watched at. Okay, where is watched at? अरे इसमें नहीं देना है. Okay, okay, set watched at. Okay, check the spelling. Okay, set watched at equals to. Okay, okay, you want to say what set watched at equals to. Okay, PVR. Very good. Where now you can go here with any record. Okay, you have to find the primary key. You don't have a primary key right now in your table. Okay, there is no a primary key. Primary key is a key which is completely unique, guys. Okay, but let's say right now we are having only two records. How many records are there? Two records, and we can identify our records very easily. So what is the first record? Iron Man, X Man, technology, blades, Earth. Okay, but it is up to you now upon what, okay, what constraint you will take here. So I will go with the superhero name, where, okay. So I actually watched both the, okay, I watched both the movies in PVR. How will you handle it? I watched both the movies in PVR. Okay, which movie? Let's say Spider-Man, or sorry, here Endgame and Wolverine. Both the movies I watched in PVR, and I want to do it in one shot to update both the records.
Column name must be planet or country.
Column name, planet, country or planet. Okay, something planet or country. हाँ चपंडी बोलिए. Okay, planet or country equals to, okay, Earth. Okay, and now do you think it will update? Okay, will it update? W8. Okay, select it, guys, and execute it. Yes, two rows affected. How many rows affected? Two rows. Okay, now I can, okay, execute this, and you see here both the movies, front of both the movies there is a PVR. Why? Because we went with the Earth. Wherever there is a Earth, SQL engine will what look for movie name Earth, and wherever, it doesn't matter whether there is a movie name Earth once, twice, thrice, or n number of times. Wherever it will find movie name Earth, there it will put watched at as a PVR. Got my point? Okay. Let's add, okay, new one column, new one more column. Okay. This column is all about, let's say, movie duration. What is it? Movie duration. Now you have to enter. So alter table superheroes. Okay. Add movie duration. Data type. Very good. Time. Okay, because it is going to be in a duration. Time. Okay, now done. Now select this. Okay, execute this. Very good. And now select whole column and check. Okay, both the values are null. Now what I want to do is I want to update. Okay, I want to update. I actually, the end game is around 3.5 hours movie. End game is around 3.5 hours movie. Update. Superheroes. Then what? Set. What I want to set? Movie. Okay, movie duration. Okay, movie duration is equal to first what? Hours, minutes, seconds. Okay, no need of milliseconds. So here 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours. Okay, 25 minutes. Okay, and 30 seconds, let's say. Okay, where, okay, movie name, okay, movie name equals to what is it? End game. See guys, here spelling should be correct. Okay, it is case sensitive here. SQL query is not case sensitive, but when you are giving some data, it will look for the exact string. What it will do? It will look for exact string. End a game here you can enter. End game. Okay, and I will now select the query and I will execute it. Okay, yes, it has been executed. And now once again select the whole column, whole table, and check. See here, 3 hours, 25 minutes, 30 seconds, and 0000. These are milliseconds. Okay. Next one. I want to update once again. Superheroes set movie duration. अरे movie duration equals to ऐसा देख सकता हूँ 45 minutes okay 50 seconds okay and 0000 milliseconds. Will it take?
No, sir.
What will happen?
Error.
चेक करके देखते हैं ऐसे क्यों. Where okay movie name okay is equal to Wolverine. Okay, WOLVERINE. हाँ guys, once again I'm asking थोड़ा दिमाग चला और बताओ ये होगा. What do you think, Neha? Will it execute? 45 minutes 50 seconds 00000 milliseconds. बताओ चलो जल्दी.
Hours, minutes or seconds per minute.
Okay. मैं बोल रहा हूँ minutes hours, but will it will take SQL? Will it take like hours minutes? No. Okay. Let's execute. Okay. And executed. Yeah. Conversion failed when converting date or time from characters. Okay. What is happening? Okay. Character to string. I will remove this now. One more thing I will do here. Okay. Now what do you think? Will it take?
Yes, sir.
Pakka? Still we are having a error. 45 hours. What I said? 45 hours. So is the problem here? Okay, let's check it. Make it 5 hours now. Okay. Make it execute. Okay. See, still it is actually throwing an error here. Why this error is there? Okay. Okay, execute. Okay, one row affected. There is no error at all. Hours always has to be lesser than 24. Minutes always has to be lesser than, okay, and seconds. Okay. So I hope you now got how to update this also. Okay, delete a particular record now. How to delete a particular record? So, eighth number, okay? Eighth number query. Delete table from database. Okay, sorry. Delete specific record from a table. Delete from table name where condition. Okay, where clause you will be using here also. Delete. Okay, delete from what is the table name? Superheroes. Where here again you should use primary keys to identify a exact particular that record. But right now we don't have any primary key. So we will take any one, okay, and we will go of something unique one. Where what movie name is what movie name equals to what? I will go with Wolverine. Okay, Wolverine. Okay, will it delete, guys? Will it delete?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the command? What is the query? Delete from table name where and the condition you will write here. Okay. But what will happen if I will say here watched at PVR? If I say the condition saying delete those records watched at, where you will find watched at is equal to PVR. How many records will it delete?
2 records.
Okay, all the records, 2 records will be deleted. But I don't want to delete all the records. So again, what I will do here, execute. And one row is affected. So how it is affected, let's check it. Okay, once again, select from superheroes and there is only one record right now. Okay, how to delete a specific record we have understood. Let's say I want to, okay, I want to delete now, okay, now, okay, I want to delete wherever there is a, okay, watched at, okay, where, okay, watched at is equal to, now how many records will delete?
Like over 100.
Only one record, isn't it? Yes, executed, okay, and I have deleted both of this, okay, both the records. Once again, I will select this, guys. Don't worry, it has already deleted everything. If you want to check, select all from superheroes, everything is empty. What I'm going to do is, I'm not going to, okay, create few another records. I will execute the same query, and now I will have my records back again. Okay, but what these values here? Okay, you have to once again alter table. So why actually this facility which SSMS is giving? Okay, no matter you delete it, but you have queries still. Okay, you don't have to write those queries again and again. Okay, you don't have to write those queries again and again. Sorry guys. Hello. Class मध्ये आहे ना. So, alter table, superheroes, add watch stat. Okay, we will execute this, execute it. Oh, column names in each table. What is happening now? You are creating watch stat once again. It won't create. Already there is a, if you check here, uh, already there is a watch stat and movie duration. So do not execute this one. What you need to execute? You need to execute these queries. Okay, you'll select this all and execute. Okay, two rows affected, and now select all from superheroes, and you see here we got our things. Don't create those columns again. Columns are already created. Okay, only updation needed. Okay, then what we will do, drop a column called movie. I want to delete, okay, movie name. Drop a column called movie name. How to drop a column? We learned how to delete a record. Okay, how to delete a record. Now, how to drop a particular column? So, guys, dropping a so alter table, table name, drop column, and column name. You have to go with the alter table superheroes. Okay, superheroes. Then what? Drop, drop column and the column name. What is the column name? Movie name. Okay, movie name. See guys, what our query is saying? Dropping specific column from a table. Alter table, table name. Drop column, column name. To create a new column as well as to drop a existing column, query is almost same. What is it? Alter table, table name. And next one is what? Create or add column name and the data type for creation of a new column. But if you want to delete the column, alter table, table name, and then what? Drop column, column name. So you can drop a lot of things. You have to say what do you want to drop. You want to drop column, you want to drop database. Okay. So here I want to drop a column. What is the column? What is the name of the column? And I gave here, okay, called movie name is the column. Select it and execute it. Command completed successfully. So I should not be, okay, getting here now a column called movie name here. Is there any column called movie name now? No column called movie name in my table. In this way, you can simply delete the or drop. भाई बताओ what is the अभी तक समझ में आया नहीं है delete और drop में क्या difference है Both are permanent actions. Okay, both are permanent actions. हाँ, ठीक है, और देखते हैं कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स. हाँ, now which column you want to drop? Select one column from here.
delete component of
Regain, actually you cannot, like there is a one situation, one condition where you can do the rollback. Okay, rollback you can do that, but with the drop, with drop you cannot roll back. Okay, but delete you can roll back. What I will tell you later on. Okay, what is roll back means. हाँ, अब कौन सा कॉलम डिलीट करेंगे बोलो. हाँ, अच्छा, ओके, रेटिंग को डिलीट करेंगे, रिलीज डेट को डिलीट करेंगे. ओके चलो, रिलीज डेट. हाँ, alter table and the table name. What is the table name? Release date. Alter column. And the column name, release date. Alter table. And what is the table name? Superheroes. Okay. And what? Drop or delete? Okay. Drop. Drop. And what is the drop after that? Column. It is very important to give the keyword column here. Okay. Drop column and the column name called release date. Okay. Release date. I hope it will work. Select it, execute it. Yeah, command completed successfully. And guys, you just go, okay, and select the whole table, and you will not find a release date. Okay, here there's no more release date column. Next one, dropping a complete table. How to drop a complete table? Okay. दोनों में से क्या, दोनों एक रिकॉर्ड, रिलीजिंग डेट में से कौन सी भी एक,
कोई भी एक डेट, एक मूवी का डेट पर्टिकुलर डिलीट करना हो.
अच्छा, पर्टिकुलर सेल वैल्यू यू वांट टू डिलीट. ओके, you want to, okay, delete. See, deleting means what? You can replace it with null. What you can do? Null. You cannot completely like remove means empty it. If there is nothing means what is there? Null. So what you have to, you know very well, if you want to put at particular value some other value, so I want to put null value. So what I have to do now? अपडेट करना पड़ेगा. अपडेट करके वहां पे where there is a what, let's say particular ticket price 350 is there. Okay, you have to put a condition where the price is 350, update it and make it null. What my point? Drop a complete table now. Drop a complete table. हाँ, कैसे डिलीट करेंगे भाई टेबल को, बोलो. ऑल्टर टेबल, alter table, table name. Very good. Okay, here drop table and table name. Simple. Okay, drop table and table name, superheroes. Okay, so here let's select, okay, this whole query and execute. Yes, it is completely, okay, completely everything is deleted now. So what will happen if I will now select, if I will say select star from superheroes, guys, and execute? What do you think? What will happen? Will I not get error? Invalid object. There is no such object called superheroes, and I'm saying select star from superheroes. It will throw an error. Okay, so you know now how to create the how to create the table, how to insert the values, how to insert multiple values, how to alter the table with particular column, how to what add a column, how to what update the values, delete the column, delete the table, and what delete the now whole database. How to drop the database, guys. If you want to drop a database, drop database and database name. Okay, let's run the query drop database, and what is the database name? Marvel DB. Okay, so here is this. Okay, select it, execute it. Oh, cannot drop database Marvel DB because it is currently in use. Yes, this is the very important thing. If any user is connected to the server means what, your machine, and in that machine there are multiple what databases are there. Right now you check here what database is in use. Marvel DB, no? Okay. So what I will do is, first I will switch from Marvel DB to any other DB. Let's say I will switch from use what I will say, use master, I will say. Okay, first start using another one. Okay, use master. And when you will switch from, let's say 10 different member, real time, what happens is, for per user there is not a separate database. There is only one database and multiple users are connected. And one user wants to delete the database. But at all the time, some user is connected to that. If any user at all is connected to the database, you cannot delete it. You have to first make sure that all the users are disconnected. No one is using that database. Then only you can delete it. So right now I'm the only user and which is not using the Marvel DB. So I'm using now master. So I can from here drop database Marvel DB, execute, and yes, command completed successfully. And see guys, you will find no more Marvel DB in this. Okay. So always make sure you are not in the database. Okay. So just like no, that old story, one something, what do you branch pe बैठ के ऐसा, okay, cutting the branch, okay, and sitting on the same branch, ऐसा नहीं होता. Okay. I hope you got it. Okay, guys, I will stop here. Please do the practice. Tomorrow we will what? Learn, okay, renaming database, how to rename the database, how to rename the column name, okay, how to rename the things, we will learn about it. Okay, and then we will move forward. I'm going to send this all things to the online. Okay, Avinash, Uma, Rajvardhan, Navya, Tabish, Minuga, Arvind, I hope all are good with it. Okay, you put some message here. Sir, we want recording video also for practice. Yes, Minuga, you will get it. Okay, you will get every day. Like today's recording, you will mostly get by tomorrow. Okay. So I have sent today's queries. Thank you so much for attending. Okay, within 5 minutes, your Python class will start. Okay, please do attend the class.